Hey everybody, it's Brandon from All-American Thrills here, and this is our fourth Wicked Cyclone Construction update at Six Flags New England. What you just saw were clips from our first three updates, and what you see right now is our newest update. Since our last update, a lot has changed at the construction site. A lot of the new Wicked Cyclone track has gone up, and a lot of the original Riverside Cyclone has come down. So the drop now is totally finished. The first overbank turn has also been installed, and that first overbank turn, I think, is very reminiscent of the original Cyclone's turnaround, just a lot more wicked. After the first turnaround, the little airtime bump there is also installed, which you can see now. One thing to note, there is none of the original Cyclone track on the coaster anymore, so all of the original Cyclone track is now gone, and just the new Wicked Cyclone track is going up. A lot of work being done in the station and brake run area, as you can see down below there. So lots of progress being made in that area as well. I can't wait to see as they continue to add more Wicked Cyclone track here and eventually the first inversion, because I'm really impressed with the way it's looking so far. And here we go now, ALTair coming in for a landing. That wraps up our fourth Wicked Cyclone Construction update. Thank you for watching, and thanks to Mike Gearin, our ALTair operator for Six Flags New England. We'll be back next week with another Wicked Cyclone Construction update. See you, everyone!